It's March 16th, 2026, and this is your daily drone news briefing from Quad Drone Lab.
Right now, the drone world is really being pulled in two opposite directions. Let's break it down. Our top story tonight: drone attacks are escalating in the Middle East, completely changing modern warfare. The scale is just staggering. The UAE alone has been hit by over 1,500 drone attacks. So, countries in the region are scrambling to defend their skies against this constant barrage.
And now, that threat is hitting closer to home. The FBI is warning of potential attacks.
Tensions are going global. Iran just issued this very direct and serious warning to Ukraine.
But all this risk is actually fueling a huge push for innovation, especially right here in Korea.
At the heart of it all is the flight controller. You know, it's literally the drone's brain.
And it's paying off. Akroxar just landed a massive 10 billion won deal for their controller. Then there's the software. Tyson's drone work lets you control different drones from one system. It's incredibly powerful. You can securely manage over 100 different drones all at the same time. So what does this all mean for you? Well, it's about to change how we all get around. We're talking about urban air mobility, or UAM, basically flying taxis for everyone. And for that, we need better batteries. EcoPro is making them way safer with longer flight times. This isn't just theory. In Chungnam, 6 cities are already testing out these drone services now. They're testing everything from delivering packages to using drones for disaster response. It's happening. And innovation is getting cheaper too. In the US, you can now 3D print your own research drone.
And that's the latest from the front lines of drone technology here at Quad Drone Lab.
We're back every single day with the latest drone news to keep you in the loop.
So if you want to keep getting these essential daily updates, listen up. This is important.
To continue watching, you'll need to join our channel membership. It's how you get news first.
And if you want to dive deeper, you can find a lot more detail on our blog. Check it out at quaddronelab.co.kr. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you tomorrow.